A USB-C dock of the future. The performance of a docking station. The portability of a hub. Keep the dock on your desk day to day, or bring it on the go wherever you work. A docking station built for both the creative and the business user. With no power adapter and a small desk footprint, this dock adds 7 ports to your Mac or Windows laptop. Leverage industry-trusted DisplayLink technology to get crystal clear picture at incredible speeds with dual 4K 60Hz HDMI displays. Plus, all the connectivity you need, including 2 additional USB 10 gigabit per second ports for high-speed data transfer, reliable gigabit Ethernet, and an SD card reader for quick, on-the-go access to your image files. Use your laptop charger and the dock's USB-C pass-through port to keep your laptop charged all day with up to 82-watt power delivery. The new dual 4K HDMI docking station from Plugable. Compact, portable, powerful.